Hey, can you guess what time it is? You probably see a lot of open house tours right now, so I figured I will jump on the train and show you guys mine. Today I'm in Brooklyn. I'm at 87 Darius Harns Drive. It's listed just under 1.2 million. It is beautiful. I figured I would start outside of my favorite part of this house, and I will flip this around and show you guys. So this is a saltwater pool. All the equipment's been updated, so it's all brand new. You have a beautiful seating area here if you want to stay out of the sun. And there's another one here as well if you want to be a little more in the sun. Let me take you in and give you a quick tour. The colors in this house are truly earthy and beautiful, and they go so well. And the green just pops perfectly with all the beige. So this kitchen is massive, tons of storage, deep storage too. You have a beautiful little sit-up bar area here. And side note, I have that clock. So if you know me, you probably know where that clock came from. Nice little eat-in section here in the kitchen. And then you have a beautiful little living room area right off of the kitchen with a nice fireplace to really set the mood. And if we go this way, there is another dining area just off to my right here, more formal. And lots of space to put extra cabinetry and stuff. And then you also have like another family room area here too. So if you want to separate the kids or the teens and have like two different living spaces, you can. In here is our laundry room, which accesses the garage as well, which is nice to have main floor. And this is a bungalow. There's not many bungalows in Brooklyn right now. A lot of the new builds are 2 stories. So this is great for having your primary bedroom on the main floor. This is one of the bedrooms upstairs. This is another one currently being used as an office. And then we have a nice bathroom here. I also have that shower curtain. And into the primary, we have a beautifully renovated bathroom. Let me back up here. You guys can see a little bit more. There you go. A walk-in closet. And then the primary bedroom is huge. You have room for a king bed with side tables. And you can also have like a nice armoire or dresser there. I know lots of people always want to make sure that their furniture will fit in the primary. I can promise you it will in here. And then you have a nice view of the backyard and the pool up here. And then I will take you guys downstairs to show you downstairs. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs and 3 bedrooms downstairs. There's tons of room. And then they have beautiful glass here to kind of open the space up so it doesn't look so clustered when you walk in the front door. It really gives you a little bit of that awe when you walk in. Okay, so I'm in what I would call the primary suite in the basement. There's 3 bedrooms down here as well. I will give you a quick tour. There's truly so much more space. So there's the bathroom. And that's attached in the primary bedroom in the basement here. And that's a walk-in closet. Come this way, beautiful rec area. It's way bigger than you would expect. There's a closet right there. And then we have another bedroom here, currently being used as a kid's playroom. Another bedroom here, which looks to be like a Santa's wrapping room, kind of cute. And then we go down the hall. And there is another bedroom here. And behind that door is like your HVAC room. It's massive. And then there's another room off of that with storage. So come on down. I'm here Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 and hope to see you guys.